Thank you for joining us to celebrate the completion and grand opening of the ThedaCare Medical Center, Fond du Lac. It's appropriate. We're grateful that you're with us today. Thank you for the opportunity to expand convenient access to care to the Fond du Lac area, and grateful we have the privilege to provide care to the people who live here. I'd like to tell you a little bit about ThedaCare and our combined organization, Froedtert ThedaCare Health. Our combined organization is committed to strengthening local health care, bringing together every aspect of care, including primary care, specialty care, and much more. We're striving to be a proactive partner in health. Through our continued work, we will improve the health and well-being for everyone we are privileged to serve, in line with our long-standing commitment to our communities. We're also working with partners like the Medical College of Wisconsin. By enhancing our relationship with MCW, our academic medical partner, we can amplify the mission of education, research, and patient care. This health campus is one of the many ways we are advancing healthcare for the people of Fond du Lac. It's a natural extension to the trusted medical care we've been providing to the members of this community for a number of years. Our first step in bringing care closer to home was the opening of the Froedtert Health Primary Care Clinic in 2024. And now it is our pleasure to create even more care options through our new health campus, which officially opens next week on Wednesday, April the 16th. Thank you for welcoming us into your community. Thank you to our team members, leaders, physicians, and staff. Your dedication to caring for our communities is much appreciated. Now, I would like to introduce our Vice President of ThedaCare Medical Centers, Fond du Lac and Oshkosh, Jenny Nikolai.
Thank you, Dr. Kavanaugh. Welcome, everyone. We are so thrilled and so happy to have you here today. And welcome to our medical center that we are so excited to open next week on Wednesday. As a health system, our vision is to enhance access to care for the communities that we have the pleasure of serving. As demand continues to grow in this community, we are incredibly proud to support this region through our new health campus. I'm pleased to share that our health campus is about 25,000 square feet and an investment of over $35 million in this community. Open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year with board-certified emergency medicine physicians. We'll be providing around-the-clock access to both emergency care as well as inpatient care. And we'll be offering imaging services with outpatient access as well as cardiovascular care. I'm excited to share that we also have opportunities to grow and expand at this health campus as the needs of the community change over time. Throughout all of our planning, all of our design work and the detail, we have been and continue to be focused on our patients in the community. In support of our mission, we will continue to pursue innovation in healthcare to achieve the highest standards for patient outcomes, ultimately creating value for all. Through this health campus, patients and the community members living in Fond du Lac can expect better health outcomes through expanded convenient access to care close to home, providing the right care at the right time at the right place. As the leader of this new health campus, I look forward to improving the health and the well-being of the people of this community. Thank you so much again for being here today. Next, I'd like to welcome Dr. Nathan Larson, Emergency Medicine Medical Director for our Fond du Lac Health Campus. Thank you.
Thank you, Jenny. It's an honor to be here. I've been a long-time resident of Fond du Lac, and I've been here a long time, and to me this means options for us, and as my family member and as us as a community, we now have options without having to travel very far, which is so exciting to be able to be part of this new experience. So there's been lots of discussions on where to build the campus, where to build the ER, and we decided that we should build it right where people live and work and play. So we have it conveniently located where we're all living. So this is one of the reasons we did that. I can't even talk. One of the reasons we decided that this was one of the best locations for this campus. We have a beautiful 8-bed emergency department and 10 inpatient beds, so we can care for patients locally. And for those who we are unable to care for, we have quick access to our Level 1 Trauma Center down at Frederick in Milwaukee, and our Level 2 Trauma Center in Appleton campus in Indiana and Appleton. When our patients have an emergency and minutes matter, including trauma and stroke and emergency care, we're here for you guys. So as Jenny said, we're ready 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. We have the greatest and best equipment available. It's all kind of exciting to kind of go through and be able to use that equipment here because it's not available at a lot of other campuses even. So we have the state-of-the-art equipment here. The layout is integral for patient safety, for staff communication, for patient communication, and it allows us to be able to see our patients and access the rooms very quickly with the layout of the ER. The physicians and nurses we were involved, I was one of the physicians involved with designing this over a year ago, and we had a significant say on room layout and all kinds of different patient care, and so we can make it patient-centered care. Our teams are honored to care for the people here in this region, and I thank you. I'd like to introduce Joe Moore, our City of Fond du Lac manager.
Well, good afternoon. The last time I was on this site, we were doing a groundbreaking, and it's exciting that we've reached this point. This is a message for me of appreciation and excitement. Dr. Kavanaugh, I know that a decision like this is significant, so I want to say thank you to you and your board and all of your leadership team that decided to make this significant investment in Fond du Lac. But the investment's really in the people of Fond du Lac, because you've talked about delivering care, and that's what this is all about. Dr. Larson, I want to welcome you and your team here. I think it's exciting that you're able to create and now occupy a brand new facility that, as you said, you had a part in designing. It's got to be exciting for you and your team, and we're excited to have you here, so thank you for that. I don't know if you realize it, but in a city our size in any given year, in our 911 center, we'll receive about 7,000 calls for ambulance service. And I pledged to you during the groundbreaking and again today that our paramedic team, our rescue team, will be the best partners you've ever had. Our fire rescue is objectively and measurably one of the best in the state, and they are very excited to be partners with you. As you said, it's important to be able to have access to care where you live, and I can tell you from experience when people have asked me about Fond du Lac, and as they're considering a job here, moving here, or where to move, sometimes it's healthcare, sometimes it's schools. But those are the two questions I'm always asked, because just about every family's got a need of some sort that they want to attend to when it comes to healthcare. So again, thank you for making the choice to call Fond du Lac home, and I welcome all of you. Thank you very much. And to all of you, thank you for being here today to celebrate with us. I also want to ask Dr. Kavanaugh to come back up and close us out. You're welcome.
Okay. I'd like to take a moment to thank everyone for being here this afternoon. I also want to recognize a few of our partners. We have some critical partners who've really helped us on the hospital project, getting this across the line, and so it's important for us to acknowledge them. So our construction partners include HPlex Solutions as the owner representative, HGA as the architect and engineer, and Myron Construction as our construction manager. Also involved is the Sigma Group, which is the civil engineer and landscape architect. Please join me in thanking these groups. I also want to mention as we celebrate in Fond du Lac here today, there's other exciting activity happening just down the road. We're creating a new health campus in Oshkosh. That campus is progressing very well and is anticipated to be completed by the end of 2025. So stay tuned, more to come on that. Now I'd like to invite everyone to join us for the community and team member open house, which will take place from 4 to 7 p.m. During the event, you'll have the opportunity to take part in a free-flowing tour to view the hospital, talk with team members, and learn about all the services that we have to offer at this wonderful campus. Giveaways, prize drawings, and light refreshments will be available. We hope everyone will join us for a night of celebration and recognition to honor this commitment to our communities. One-on-one media opportunities will be available as well. Now let's head outside to officially cut the ribbon and celebrate this new campus. Thank you all for joining us.